Hey people, today we would like to bring you out for the tour to Bedugul. So last week we met a girl who brought us broccoli and strawberries, and she invited us to visit her in her place. So we would like to see how it all things happening and going on in Bali. Probably everybody's seen how the strawberries is growing, but nobody's seen how the strawberries growing on Bali. So it's Thursday and it's a delivery day. Today we're gonna get our broccoli,
strawberries,
and what else?
Cauliflower,
and
cherry tomatoes.
Yeah.
All these vegetables and strawberries coming from place under the name
Bedugul.
Bedugul.
Ni in the beginning, yeah.
So,
Hi Putu. We have inside there.
Okay.
I think you
Selamat sore. In Bali we have strawberries. Import lemon from Bali.
This is the other one. Okay, guys. I'll wait for you to come to my place.
Great.
Bye.
See you there. So follow us. We managed to get to the Bedugul, and at the moment we're waiting for our friend Putu. Putu will bring us around the Bedugul. Since quarantine started, she's delivering all these vegetables and strawberries. From Putu, and she says that she's still stuck in Sanur, so she's gonna be 2 hours later. But at the same time we are really hungry. We choose from the TripAdvisor one of the warungs or restaurants, whatever you call them. Warung. It's warung. So, and we will just drink some coffee, we'll eat something, and then by that time Putu will arrive here.
Thank you.
Food here is really good, so if you're in Bedugul, so we really recommend you to visit this place. From Ahmed to Bedugul is about 100 kilometers, but as you can see all around the climate is completely different. In Ahmed 8 months a year we have no any drop of the rain, and it's usually in the morning until the evening it's sun. The climate is so different. Here the temperature can be 18 degrees, at the moment it's 24, and you can actually feel, especially when you're driving a motorbike, you can feel it's cold. So because of the climate it's possible that there is strawberries and there is vegetables which doesn't grow anywhere else, just because they need cold nights and hot days. So it's a delivery for the market. So what we have here is sayuti, tomatoes, chai, and then there is smaller ones, cabbages, broccoli, cucumber. Our Putu just arrived, so now we're gonna follow Putu, so she will bring to her fields
Yes,
of
let's go to
veggies.
our garden.
So
And normally vegetable from our garden, we bring it to here and sell it in here. In the morning, we sell to the market, and then in the evening to Denpasar.
Okay, so we arrived in Putu's place. So she was so kind and invited us to her house, and she will take a tour around all the farming places, all the gardens and all the veggies. She will introduce with all the veggies. So remember guys, this all veggies which you eating every day, it comes from here, from Bedugul.
I don't know where they are. So I also have small garden in here.
So it's like a personal veggies for your personal table. Okay.
But some of the salads come from here.
Ah, the salad
The
you
lettuce,
deliver is
yeah.
okay. It's from here.
Yeah.
Nice and green. Looks really fresh. That's our second guide.
Second guy.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Ayu.
Ayu. Hello, Ayu.
Hello.
Laura is trying to explain where we are from
Yeah, so
to see how many interested
UK,
people.
so in the Europe, north part of Europe.
So maybe they will deliver all the
weather is
veggies to Latvia as
Similar
well.
like in
Beautiful garden, actually, I would like to say. Welcome to the kingdom of vegetables. So follow me. We'll show you everything we have here. Celery, cherry tomatoes is still green.
Yeah.
So the cherry tomato harvest is twice a year. So one time it takes 6 months to get them ripe. That's the parsley, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got this one. Hello, this is Tim. Fresh basil. Rucola. Romaine salad. Green salad, red salad. How you call it?
jeruk.
Jeruk. So it's a season of jeruk here in Bali.
That smell, Martin.
Laura just decided to buy dills
Yeah,
straight from
garden.
garden. It's just crazy smell. Yeah.
Oh, so good. Then I need onions as well.
Okay, next is onions. So this is peppermint,
More, and this is enough.
spring Bombay.
Yes.
Oops.
Yeah. Happy Laura.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
So that's how you shopping in Bali. The guys are planting something. Okay. So that's the Bali technology. This is a paradise for vegans.
So how we just started. So you use
Smells just crazy. Oh, crazy smell.
also drink from this one.
In Latvian we call it rabarberry.
Ini apa ada? And
Yeah.
here we don't know the name.
But they don't eat it, they just grow.
Really?
Yes. We don't know.
Are you
Just
serious?
for sale.
Really?
Oh, you just sell it?
Yeah.
Okay. So then it's bare. If you just grow it, then it's useless. Because in our country, we bake pies with this one. Laura is going crazy now.
Yes.
So she's in her ideal environment.
It was big mistake to come here.
Big mistake.
to make you understand why we're feeling like this, because
Make a photo and post on Facebook.
Laura actually in Philippines, she tried to grow many things. So she took the seeds from back home from Latvia, but nothing was growing because the climate was too dry and hot. Well, when we're looking around here, everything we've been trying to plant in Philippines, it's just growing here crazy, and it's just amazing to see all these things. So that's why Laura at the moment is going crazy. Okay, we're going to the next garden. What is it?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. The strawberries you delivered us, it comes from this field,
Yes,
from this
from
place.
this.
Yeah.
We have two beautiful Balinese girls here, and the reason why we are here, we saw the strawberries which was delivered by Putu, and we wanted to see how they're growing here in Bali, because it's not really usual that you can get strawberries in tropical countries. So Putu, how long is the season of the strawberries here in Bali?
We will have all the years, but only the
small ones.
yeah.
But the big ones and more tasty ones is from June,
May, June,
July,
July.
August.
August. Not really.
Not anymore, right?
Not really, because the start rain season.
Okay. The next question is where you deliver all the strawberries? Sanur?
Sanur, Nusa Dua, Canggu, Ubud. Just
Really? So basically it means all around the Bali.
All around
Strawberries
the
is nothing new for
nothing
Bali.
new, but one of most expensive fruits in Bali, of course.
Okay, so it's nothing more expensive than strawberries.
Nothing.
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 There's two kinds, but I forgot the name. The other one Rosalina, and the other one
One is Rosalina.
Rosalina.
It already sounds amazing, Rosalina. So you're supplying for hotels and restaurants in Bali, and you're supplying carrots,
Carrots,
cabbage.
salads,
broccoli.
all kind of salads.
So everything you can imagine,
Yeah.
you can deliver.
The climate here is really good to grow the vegetable,
Yeah.
because it's like 23 degrees Celsius, so it's good to grow the vegetable, and the ground and the soil also is really nice,
Rich.
rich
Rich with
in,
the minerals. And,
yeah, rich in
Minerals, yeah.
mineral.
Okay.
Even though like the organic
We have all the
thing
years.
also, the organic
All the
farm
years.
very easy to grow.
Okay. So you don't have to spend a lot of money for minerals, right?
Some vegetable like bell pepper, like
Mhm.
hot chili, the big one. We need a lot of money for this, because
Okay.
we need to.
So that's why it's one of the most expensive,
the most
right? So that's what you
Yes,
told
pepper,
us.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I'm absolutely happy. You can move actually because it's video. So we spent a great day in Bedugul. We met the great guys. Putu we know already from all the delivery stuff. So please follow us. Don't forget to subscribe. We're coming up with new videos. Definitely we'll find something new and interesting for you. And see you next time.